Tell the camera where we are.
We're in the taxidermy museum. There's geese in here. Dinosaurs.
So cute. It's a scene from Bambi. Yeah, no, I believe it's a scene from Bambi.
Quandale. Quandale. Blue Dingle.
I think this might be our new spot.
Beach spot. It's nice here. So, we've been walking for a while. We don't know where we are.
Hear that? Do you guys hear that?
We're in an unfamiliar place.
And the thing is, I have to pee. No one knows that because I've been keeping pretty quiet about it. Like I haven't been saying much because I'm blue tie.
Whoa!
I'm blue tie, and I have to keep my composure in situations like this. Can I zoom out?
How do you do it?
Oh.
Like this.
Bozos. Okay. No, this is actually new. Wait.
Oh, do you think we could find like frogs in here?
Hey, zoom into it.
Keep going.
Yeah, I think let's just see what's beyond the fence.
That's the only urgency to this situation. So I just have to. Camera's rolling. So if something happens to us.
Are you making a vlog with this?
Oh, should we just post
This is our Blair Witch.
We should start a new,
I just heard another car door sign.
we should start a new playlist.
Oh, this is good. This is good.
How do we get back?
So we're here. No, we're here.
Where do we need to be?
I think we're right here. We started off right here.
And we're at 3.
Yes.
No, but it says 8.
We're at 8.
So we need to go to 3. So this
Okay.
way.
Guys, the pathway ahead looks really sinister. Oh my god, wait, it zooms in so, guys, look how much this zooms in. Crazy.
We could catch Blair Witch from 3 miles
Oh,
away.
do you want to see something cool?
See, look.
Oh, there's a flashlight.
Wait, I really like this pathway.
I like this pathway. Like, they're nice things. I can't see anything.
Twilight. Oh, but there's a purple mark. Oh my god, I just heard something up there.
It's a turkey.
Yeah.
Type of biome.
Yeah, guys, are we in spruce biome?
Moss, this is your life lesson. Okay, north. Moss grows on the north, I think, to the north. So we're going south right now. Man-made
Ate our way to freedom. We made it.
It's gonna be a good spot for like picnic. Maybe even swimming.
Swimming, yeah.
And
Basically, we're trying to find our spot of the summer.
spot of the summer. Song of the summer.
So we're gonna go somewhere else now, and we're gonna look.
The devil keep jumping me.
Did you just move your head to the
Guys, we just drove by a church who was having a funeral, full blast yo-hoing.
Let me give you. It's honest. This is what was playing in the background when we turned on the street, but full blast.
Okay, we're now at
The damn shop.
the damn shop, and we got fries.
Yeah.
And then after we eat the fries, we're gonna go. Yeah, it's actually really cool.
We're going inside.
Okay. After we go inside and eat the fries, we're gonna go and hike somewhere else. So yeah, we're going inside now.
You gotta go faster than that. You got
Faster. Delish.
We got cream sauce. This is the Riz Party juice.
What the fuck? We pulled up to the second location. It's cute here. See that? Okay. I don't think you can, but there's the water. There's water over there.
It's a lot less deserted.
Yeah, but we're going that way.
This is my trunk tour. So, we got a speaker, a flashlight, but I don't think this works. Sleeping bag, like always. We got someone's random jacket, a like beach towel my mom gave me.
Hammock. Army blanket.
Then this is ooh, this can be pulled up.
Whoa, why do we have silly string?
This silly string. I got everything. Oh, I got what's the
Chalk markers.
Okay. I don't know when we got that stuff. Where's my cup at?
Guy's vlogging a full time. You don't know how it is. I like that. I like that little view. It'll actually be pretty in the summer. Ooh, shadows.
It's just me, myself, and I.
What the fuck?
Right until I die. And got me for life.
Like
Getting on the night. For the things I done enough.
purple mark.
Shut up! Oh my God, Jojo! You think all liberal Democrats should take a migrant?
I would find out who the killer is. Like, I would solve the missing puzzles, but I wouldn't get the chance to tell anyone.
Because you'd get stabbed in the back. You'd be like, guys, I know who the killer is. And then it would be like,
Wait, guys, I know who it is. Boom,
dead. Guys, I really like this little area. So we made it to a dead end though.
Yeah, and it's kind of bad here. I think we have to find the other
Like-
trail that went into the woods.
Yeah.
Go back and find it.
We walked for a while. We were just talking about horror movies and stuff, you know. This place is like, it's cool. It's like all downhill, but it really looks like it would only be pretty in the summer.
Yeah.
Look at the sunset. Do you see it?
This is where the first sighting would happen.
Yeah, we'd be like that and there'd be like a
You're
figure.
like, look at the sunset.
We made it back to the parking lot. Okay, roll down the windows just a little. Yo ho them. Middle. Turn it up. We pulled up to the beach.
Oh, that kid is
Uh-oh.
staring at us.
I think I got his silhouette. Sunset. Be Real just went off. I want it to be summer. Bro, what? Look at them.
Guys, we're on the beach. I'm edging. I'm edging right now. I mean, who didn't go? I love Zoe. I love Kaylee. Ew. Get me doing it?
This is like the dead mom videos. Oh.
I got motion.
When did you realize you had motion?
Since birth. Oh! So it towards the sky. Causing a disturbance. Yeah. I just got the hips.
Now watch this.
God. Into my eye. It's in my eye.
God. Y'all ready for this? Oh my lord.
It won't go out. There's sand in my eye. It won't go out.
Blink. Blink. Oh, wait. This is me doing cinema. Yeah. The rock. Here's the rock right there.
I don't want this.
Oh, I found mine. Baby. They're all ugly now. Where did all the pretty ones go? I wish I like got the color more, but it like doesn't. Boomerang. Who's that girl with no friends?
Get him!
Bye!
Get him!
When did you realize you had motion? When did you realize you got motion?
Sit! Bird!
Grandma!
I dream podcast?
Ice things up!
Sometimes I dream podcast. Oh wait, that's not even what it is.
Damn!
Okay, it's recording now!
What were you doing? Okay, you have to watch it again.
Oh, okay.
And that was a ghost, guys. I swear I didn't see him. You just cut me off.
Hey, wait, it's not focused!
Okay, get him, get him.
3, 2,
Come was a bitch.
Oh my god.
Wait, put the camera down here. Put the camera down here. Ready? What does she say? Wait, no, not like that! What does she say?
Yeah, I can't even see you.
You can go like this.
Wait, what did she say?
She's like,
Bitch.
hey, God.
Call anyone that is dead.
If you could call
anyone. Who would your dream ghost call be?
My hip, brothers.
Who would I want on a podcast?
Let's spice things up. My ex.
Something's wrong with that.
Okay, whoa. Oh.
So loud.
Okay, thanks for watching. We're starting a new series called Blair Witch Project. Follow along until we see Blair Witch.
Yep.
The series is on this camera only, which I dug up from in my room somewhere. So, bye!